written mountain soil. So by this name you can understand very well that we get this mountain soil in the mountain regions. This soil has, the first point I have written has gravel. Gravel means small stone. This soil has a lot of gravel, and this soil is found in the mountain region of north and northeast. That means we get in the mountain region, we get mountain soil in the mountain region, and where? Especially in the northern part and the northeastern part of India. And generally it is not so fertile in high mountains, but more fertile in the river valley. That means if we get the mountain, if we go to the mountain, so high mountain, so the soil will not be very fertile. But if we go to the if we want to get the more fertile soil than the high mountain soil, so we have to go to the river valley of mountain area. Okay. Now, what are the most important crops we get from this mountain soil? Now, the thing is that if there is good rainfall, so there should be one point is there, that means we should have the good rainfall. If we have the good rainfall in these mountain areas, then only farmers can grow crops such as what? Maize, tea, potatoes, and different kinds of fruits. Okay. Now come to this one, black soil. Black soil is very important soil for our own country. Why? Because it's a very fertile soil. It's a very fertile, rich soil. Now what is there? It is a fine soil, it is a sticky, and it has lot of clay on it. Okay. Where we get the soil? Especially in the western part of our country and the central. Central means western part. I am telling you that it's not in the western means only the Rajasthan part. It should be that the Maharashtra and that means what to say, that Gujarat some part, okay, and central, that means Madhya Pradesh and everything, this Maharashtra part are there in the we get the black soil there. It is excellent for cotton. That means we get cotton well in the black soil. Black soil is very good for the that means cotton, and we get sugarcane also and jowar also. Now students, here I would like to I would like to show you that where we get, that means mountain soil and black soil. So here you can see this is the brown color, dark brown color mountain soil. So generally I have told you the mountainous region, that means here these are all full of mountains. So here we get this mountain soil, and you can see here is also some part of Sikkim and Darjeeling here, and also there, that means the northeastern part. Okay, so these are all full of mountains, and that here we get the mountain soil. And it is black soil. You see the index here, it is symbolizes with gray, dark gray color, that is called black soil. So black soil I have told you we get especially in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. You see here some part of Karnataka. Okay, Maharashtra is full, maximum part is we get black soil in Maharashtra. Here this is the part of Madhya Pradesh, and here the Karnataka, and this total central part, maximum central part is having the black soil, and western part Gujarat. Okay. We are going to discuss about red soil. So red soil you can understand very well by the name, that red soil means it has the red color. So why it has the red color? It has iron chemicals in the rock. That means the rock which is the responsible for making this soil. Okay, so the red color of the soil is because of the presence of iron chemicals in the rocks that make the soil. So that is why the red soil has the red color. Okay. Second point is that where we get this red soil. The soil is found in the plateau region of the Deccan. Deccan means obviously the southern part of India. Okay, and some part of northeast. Northeast means northeast part of India. Now the third point, it is not very fertile in all the areas. That means that it is not fertile in all areas, but if found in a valley or a plain, here we can get we get the crops such as like rice. So in not all part, in all part we will not get the fertile red soil. Only if it is found in valley or a plain, then it is some part, that means we can tell that it is fertile, more fertile than any other part of red soil. Okay, and we get rice also from that part. Now we are coming to the laterite soil. Laterite soil means it is this kind of soil was made from rocks that contain a lot of aluminium and is not very fertile. Okay, so it has lot of aluminium, and it is obviously that means the rock which is responsible for making the laterite soil, this rock is having the lot of aluminium, and it is not very fertile also. Generally we get this laterite soil in the hilly regions of Kerala, Karnataka, and some parts of Maharashtra, Meghalaya also. And we get cashew, you can see cashew, tea and rubber and many important crops we get from this soil. Okay. Now students, please look at the map. Here I would like to point that where we get this laterite soil and red soil. Okay, so that laterite soil, you can see it is that means brinjal color, purple color, you can see. So where we get this laterite soil, you see the coastal areas, some parts of the coastal areas of western southwestern part of India, some parts here, some parts here also we get this laterite soil. Okay, and we get red soil, where red soil is having this color, you can see this is that means this is that means peach color, dark peach color, and it symbolizes red soil. Okay, so red soil we get that means a lot of places in India is having the red soil. You can see the northern eastern part, northeastern part, we get this red soil. Here also we get this red soil, that means some parts of West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, there we get this red soil also, and some parts of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, okay, the Andhra Pradesh, these parts also we get the red soil.